Testing the 12 cranial nerves. Ask the patient for headache, dizziness, vertigo, or proximal or distal weakness. Ask if there was any loss of consciousness, seizures, tremors, and involuntary movements. Observe the patient's appearance and behavior, speech and language. Cranial nerve 1 olfactory sense of smell. Be sure that the both nasal passages are open by compressing by one side and asking patient to sniff through the other. With his eyes closed and one nostril occluded, pass a moderately aromatic familial substance like coffee and ask the patient to identify. Cranial nerve 2 optic nerve. Examine visual acuity, visual fields, inspect the optic fundi. Look for papilledema, pallor. Cranial nerve 3, 4 and 6 control the eye movements. Check the extraocular movements in 6 cardinal directions of gaze. Look for any diplopia. Inspect closely asymmetric deviation of movement. Converge one eye by asking patient to look at your finger as you move it towards his bridge of nose. Identify any nystagmus. Ask the patient to focus on distant object and observe for pertussis and nystagmus. Cranial nerve 5 trigeminal innervates the muscles of the mastication. Palpate the temporal and masseter muscles. Ask the patient to clench his teeth. Move the jaw side to side. With patient's eyes closed, test for pain sensation with short object. Stimulate the patient's forehead, cheeks. Occasionally stimulate the chins. Compare the symmetrical areas. Test for light touch. Ask the patient to respond whenever you touch his skin with cotton wisp. See if the patient's eyes blink or tear when you touch his cornea. Cranial nerve 7 mediates taste sensation in anterior two-thirds of the tongue and muscles of facial movement. Ask the patient to show his teeth. Close his eyes tightly so that you can't open it. Wrinkle his forehead. Puff his cheeks and test his neck muscles. Cranial nerve 8 acoustic mediate hearing and vestibular function. Access hearing with whispered voice test. Cranial nerve 9 and 11 glossopharyngeal and vagus mediate the sensory and motor function of palate, pharynx and larynx. Ask the patient to yawn or say ah. Test for gag reflex. Cranial nerve 11 spinal accessory. The sternomastoid and trapezius muscle. Ask the patient to shrug his shoulders against your hand and turn his head against the side of your hand. Cranial nerve 12 hypoglossal. Observe the tongue for atrophy and fasciculation. Note asymmetry, deviation from